Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by FII DII. The global cues was really very good today morning and it was a huge gap up, and in fact the gap up was even more than what SGX Nifty indicated. And in fact in the pre-market Reliance was quoting around 2300. And then it settled around 2250 and it was more than 90-point gap up. But surprisingly, there was a huge sell-off of nearly 150 points. Then after that, nearly 100-point recovery was made, again that was sold into. A third time, again there was more than 100-point recovery, again that was also sold into, and finally Nifty broke 15,700. It was a 3 times huge fall. And I always say, you may remember, for the last 1 year or even more than that, I've been observing every Wednesday the market has been hugely volatile. And also, as and when huge volatile on Wednesday, the Thursday is not that much volatile. So, by looking at this, tomorrow we can expect some stability, not a big volatility, and today it was really horrible. And traders, they would have been chopped off both the sides. And the local cues, I really don't know what made this fall. I could get only one answer. Yesterday evening, in my post-market report, I said it will be very nice if retail investors dominate the market. It looks like today retail investors have dominated the market. Otherwise, how I am going to explain the fact that Nifty fell so much, Bank Nifty also fell so much despite such a big gap up, and at the end of the day, FIIs are net buyers at 3,156 crores and domestic institutions are net buyers for 1,317 crore. That means FII and DII put together today they have bought for 4,500 crores. 4,500 crores of buying is happening, but despite that market is falling so much. So, how the US investors, US retail traders ganged up on the long side? It looks like Indian retail traders have ganged up to short the market. So, that is really, in fact, I don't remember when this has happened last time, when there were both the institutions were buyers, both of them bought for more than 1,000 crore, both of them put together 4,500 crore, but despite that market fell every time. In the morning 150 point, then after that 100 point, again 100 point. So 3 times fall. It was a huge fall. And that's for fun, but probably what I'm thinking, I always say, if a stock has run up too much just before an event, mostly corporate results, just before the corporate results there will be some profit booking, or just before corporate results if the stock has fallen so much, there will be some kind of a short covering, or the people who are short, they will book the profit. Because in the first 2 weeks of this month, Reliance Industries shot up nearly 300 points, and tomorrow is the Reliance AGM. So probably those people sitting with a good profit, so they decided to book the profits. So that could be one possible reason. And today also Maruti is the star of the pack, shot up again. And in fact, today the news flow was for Hero MotoCorp, and Hero MotoCorp went close to 3,000, but later it came under a huge selling pressure. So luckily, last month I sold 3,000 short straddle in Hero MotoCorp when it went close to 3000, I squared it up today. So it was a lucky day for me. Looking at the open interest, so 15,800 looks to be the huge resistance. And there was a huge call rating, 15,700, 15,750, 15,800, everywhere calls are written. And this kind of fall came even when the European markets were okay. They were down but slightly down. US futures were higher. But despite that, this fall has come. But as institutions are buyers, so there is nothing to worry. But anyway, this one day before expiry, on the day of expiry, it's going to be very difficult to explain the market movement. And I also feel that the market has to break out. It will break out only the next week, probably the first week of first trading session in July series. So that's it for now. And so I have to make some announcements for my customers and people who have signed up for PR Sundar Premium Plan, Premium Plus Plan. So don't worry, you will be getting the call and very soon, and we are working on it. It will take about 1 more week time. And because of the huge demand and the lockdown in Tamil Nadu, so we are struggling. Only now the lockdown is lifted. Now we have employed more people. We are working on it and we will keep calling you. And please check your mail and WhatsApp. So we will give you some link for you to open an account with 5 paisa. Right? And last time when I said there was a mistake, those who are coming under Premium Plus Plan, we will give free calls, but we will not accept collateral. We will accept only the cash. So that is a trade-off. You get free calls, you don't pay anything, but you give cash. And you give collateral, so we will not give free calls. So there was some mistake last time. So that's why I am informing you now. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.